Chapter 2. How to download, install, and log in to MT5. In this tutorial, we will show you how to download, install, and start trading on the MT5 platform. Once you are logged in to your Neuron Markets account, go to Downloads and click on Download Metatrader 5. You will then be redirected to the page where you can easily download MT5. After downloading, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the executable file to proceed. At this point, the client terminal window will pop up. After you have read and understood the license agreement, continue by pressing Next. After the installation has been completed, you can launch the platform by double-clicking the MT5 icon saved on your desktop. If you launch the MT5 platform for the first time, a window will pop up. Note that all details you enter are case-sensitive. Enter your login ID, password, select the server, and click on Finish. Upon launching the MT5 platform, you will see three basic window panels. On the top left side of the platform, you can see the Market Watch panel displaying the live prices and the symbols of all trading instruments offered by Neuron Markets. The larger panel in the middle of the screen is called the Chart window, and it displays historical prices, indicators, and other useful tools for graphical representation. At the bottom, you can see the terminal window panel showing your active, pending, and closed trades. This is also the panel where you configure alerts and monitor the platform using the Journal tab. In our next tutorial session, you will get to know more details about the MT5 panels. Thank you for watching.